how to repost archive stories on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now look at the upper right corner and click on the hamburger icon. From here, select the archive option. This is where Instagram stores all of your past stories. Once inside the archive section, browse your story until you find the one you want to share again. Then open the story and tap the share button located at the bottom. At this stage, you can customize your story again. For example, you can add stickers, write text, or also include music. Finally, hit your story at the bottom and your chosen archive story will be reposted. With this step, you now know how to repost archive stories on Instagram.